Hey guys, guess what? You know I love tropical plants. Just got this in the mail. I'm gonna try and grow it and see what I can get out of it, or how far how long it'll live for. This is Hog Plum. I'm going to plant it right now, and I'm gonna see what's going on. Summer's coming, so let's see. Hog plum tree. If you know what's hog plum, leave a comment. Bucket right here. I'm gonna plant this in there. I'm gonna put it inside and see what's gonna happen. All right, stay tuned. Okay, I plant it. I'm gonna water it. And I'm gonna let you guys know the progress. But at the same time, I did something, and I want you guys to take a look at the result and give you an update on another vegetables that I planted. So stay tuned. Okay guys, remember the sweet potato? This is what it looks like. Sweet potato in a pot. I'm gonna give this some water, and I'm gonna put it back inside. And when it's starting to get warm out, I'm gonna bring it out. It's warm now, but at night the temperature, I don't like the temperature. It gets a little cold, especially for a plant like this. So I'm gonna water it and put it back in. Don't want too much water in it. Yes, this is the sweet potato, and we call it sweet potato. This is not the American sweet potato. This is the Caribbean sweet potato. And if you want to look for it inside of a store that sells Caribbean stuff, the name of it is batata. Yes, they use the Spanish name, but we at Jamaica, we know it as sweet potato. We grow it as sweet potato. This is our sweet potato, but they sell it up here and they call it batata. All right, and this is an update on this, and I'm gonna give you an update on the hog plum that I just planted. And I want to thank you guys for watching, and I'll keep you guys updated as we go along. All right, see you next time.